What's up, guys? How y'all doing today? So, I woke up like a half an hour ago, and I can see I'm wearing my Montreal Canadiens sweatshirt and hat. So yeah, I'm starving, so I'm gonna go downstairs and get some food right now. Hi, Holly. How are you? I think I'm gonna have some Eggo waffles today. Alright, guys, I just ate breakfast. I'm gonna go downstairs and play some Forza Horizon 2. Alright, guys, let's go downstairs. Let's go downstairs and do something. What are you making, Mom?
Chicken, broccoli, and rice.
Nice, it looks delicious. By the way, guys, you guys didn't know there's a Habs game tonight, which I'm going to be watching tonight. So, they'll be playing against the Buffalo Sabres today. So I can't wait for the Habs game. Alright, guys, that's going to wrap that up for today's vlog. So if you haven't yet, please subscribe and turn on your post notifications. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.